Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Tau in a challenging market. It looks like a clean triangle structure is forming on the H4 chart, which often signals a major move is brewing. The current price area is very neutral, making it a difficult and unstable zone to trade. The price could continue to move sideways between $420 and $368 for a while longer. Now for our scenarios. On the bearish side, if the price breaks under $368 to $360, I'll be watching the $330 to $320 zone. Technically, seeing a bearish rejection looks more possible while the price remains under $415 on the daily basis. For a bull rescue, a weekly candle close above $455 is required to exit the higher timeframe neutral area and trigger a potential long-term bullish move. Overall, I think that a consolidation above the $360 level suggests a bullish accumulation phase before the next big move. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.